Hi, everyone. About a minute on the iron law of landmines and climate policy. I wrote about this on Substack and just posted it a few minutes ago. And here's the gist of it. Countries will always act in their national interest, whether it's in warfare, economic policy, climate policy, etc. This is what countries do. They act on their own interest. And this is what we clearly saw earlier this week when the Biden administration announced it will be sending landmines to Ukraine to try and slow or halt the invasion of certain parts of their territory by Russian troops. And this happened, of course, this week while there is the climate meeting ongoing in Baku. And this is the 29th COP meeting where you've had all these thousands of people attend, and every year they get together and say, we're going to get really serious about climate policy. No, we mean it this time, pinky swear, and then nothing ever happens. And there are no binding agreements. And that is going to be the result again this year in Baku. And why is that? Because countries always act on their own interest. So what is the iron law? Well, the iron law of climate policy was coined by my friend, Roger Pilkey Jr., who said when that iron law says when forced to choose between action on climate and economic growth, countries will choose and policymakers will always choose economic growth. Why? Because that's in their interest, not international agreements on climate policy. The same is true on landmines. Ukraine signed the mine ban treaty, but now it's being invaded and suddenly they need landmines and they're going to use them. The treaty doesn't matter to them anymore. So this is just the stark reality of the world. And I just saw the connection there between the landmines and what's going on in climate policy. And this is the same, two sides of the same coin. Countries act in their own self-interest, always, everywhere, and it's never going to change. You can read my piece. You know where to find me. I'm on Substack, robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.